Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today I will draw a nightly landscape, which is something one of you requested. I hope you enjoy it. We will be working on toned paper and we begin drawing with that dark gray. With this we sketch the hills that are far away by the horizon, the top and the bottom. Like so. And more close by, another arm of land that extends onto the water. Then, up here, the moon. Notice that it is about at 1/3 of the page for composition purposes. We do the outline with a white pencil and then we give it a tone. Of course, the tone is not solid and flat, but rather it has some changes. Some areas are lighter than others, even with a full moon. And we go back to the dark gray, which in this case we apply lightly to fill in the faraway hills. The one in front will be a little bit darker than the one in the back, which goes slightly lighter. I'm using the same pencil, I'm just applying it with less pressure, with a lighter touch. While for the closer land, I switch to a black pencil, and I apply it with more pressure. And we can actually give it a couple of passes to darken it further. We want it to stand out. The list of materials that I am using is in the description below the video. We grab the white pencil again and with little dots we draw the reflections. Many reflections. It's like sparks in the water. And then we illuminate slightly the sky with a halo of the moon. And why not? Let's draw some little clouds. And remember that as they are also illuminated by the moon, they should have in light the side which is closer to it. These reflections may not be enough. Let's also draw some waves, some reflection of the light of the moon extended on the water. Here I'm using a light gray because I don't want the intensity of the white. Also to give the darker areas of the moon. I remind you that right after the release of each video, I am for 1 hour answering all your questions and comments live. This is every Tuesday from 10 AM US Central Time, which is 4 PM in the UK, 5 PM in places in Europe such as France, Germany, Italy, at 7 PM in Moscow, and 9:30 PM in Delhi, India. 9:30 PM? Why are they half an hour offset compared to everybody else in the world? Please let me know. If somebody is watching from India, please explain. I find it amazing that we have this community with artists from all over the world. Please say hi in the comments and tell us where are you from. It's done. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends, and subscribe to Fine Art Tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.